A quiet war is unfolding in the world of artificial intelligence. Google and MIT are teaching AI to find hidden trends without exposing anyone's privacy. Microsoft just built a voice AI that can talk for 90 minutes straight. Elon Musk is launching a new company while suing tech giants, and NASA is using AI to predict violent storms from the sun. Big moves, bigger risks. Let's break it all down. Google and MIT's breakthrough in trend detection. Every tap, swipe, or search we make online leaves behind a small clue. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Spotify take billions of these clues and turn them into recommendations. That is why your feed feels personal, why a new artist suddenly appears on Spotify, or why a random video goes viral overnight. But hidden in this magic is a serious challenge. How can companies study the behavior of millions without exposing what any single person did? For years, the fix was adding noise to the data. Systems gave each item a score, then blurred the details so that individuals stayed private. It worked at scale, but there was a price. The most common words or searches always won out, drowning out rare but important signals. Niche topics or early trends were buried under the weight of popular items. Imagine a room where the loudest voices dominate, while the softer ones never get heard. This is where Google and MIT step in. They designed a smarter system called MAD, short for Max Adaptive Degree, and its improved version MAD2R. Think of it like a traffic system that redirects overflow. If one data lane is jammed, the extra gets trimmed and rerouted to quieter lanes, giving small but meaningful patterns a chance to surface. When tested on massive datasets, Reddit posts, IMDb reviews, Twitter feeds, Wikipedia edits, Amazon ratings, and even the trillion-entry Common Crawl, MAD2R consistently outperformed older methods. It captured 99.9% of users and 97% of activity, all while keeping privacy intact. In other words, it revealed the bigger story without exposing anyone's secrets. Microsoft's long-form AI voices. Most AI voices today sound polished for a few seconds, but stretch them into longer conversations and the illusion breaks. They become robotic, flat, or simply run out of memory. Microsoft's new model, Vibe Voice 1.5B, changes that completely. It can generate up to 90 minutes of continuous speech, not just from one speaker, but from several at once. Picture 4 different voices holding a back-and-forth conversation, each keeping its own identity, flow, and tone without slipping. The magic goes beyond plain speech. Vibe Voice can switch between languages in real time, taking an English prompt and producing natural Chinese audio. It can even sing, handling pitch and rhythm in a way older tools could only dream of. Under the hood, 2 clever tokenizers make this possible. The first compresses raw sound into a compact form, like shrinking a massive video file without losing clarity. The second focuses on meaning, ensuring the model knows not just how words sound, but what they mean in context. Finally, a diffusion decoder rebuilds the fine details, adding emotion, pacing, and natural expression. That's why the voices feel human rather than mechanical. Even better, the whole system is open source. Anyone with a mid-range GPU, like an RTX 3060, can run it today. For creators, developers, and researchers, this is a major leap. Free, expressive, multi-voice audio that lasts as long as a real conversation. Elon Musk's Macrohard and legal battles. Elon Musk is no stranger to bold moves, and his latest venture is raising eyebrows. He has announced a new company called Macrohard, a name clearly poking fun at Microsoft. Unlike Tesla or SpaceX, which rely heavily on physical engineering, this project is meant to be a pure AI software company. The idea is to create fleets of intelligent agents that handle everything from writing code and designing images to managing workflows. These agents would operate together, almost like a digital workforce powered by Grok, Musk's own chatbot. This isn't just talk either. His company, xAI, has officially filed a trademark covering software that generates speech, text, and even multi-agent AI systems. That paperwork signals real intent, not just a passing tweet. But while the concept is ambitious, Musk is already stretched thin. He leads Tesla, SpaceX, xAI, and is still deeply involved with X, formerly Twitter. At the same time, Musk has gone on the legal offensive. His companies are suing Apple and OpenAI, accusing them of forming an illegal partnership that locks out competition. The lawsuit argues Apple's integration of ChatGPT into iOS unfairly shuts the door on rivals like Grok. If Musk succeeds, it could reshape the playing field, forcing Apple to loosen its grip and giving consumers more choices. If he fails, it highlights just how much power a few tech giants already hold. IBM and NASA's AI twin of the sun. Far above us, the sun is constantly throwing out bursts of energy. Most of the time, these events go unnoticed, but every so often, a powerful solar flare or coronal mass ejection races toward Earth. When that happens, satellites can be fried, GPS signals scrambled, power grids disrupted, and the internet itself put at risk. Predicting these storms with enough warning has always been a challenge, until now. IBM and NASA have built a new system called Surya, an AI model designed to act as a digital twin of the sun. It was trained on years of data collected by NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory, which has been recording high-resolution images of the sun for more than a decade. Using this vast archive, Surya learned to forecast solar activity up to 2 hours earlier than current systems, and with 16% more accuracy. That extra time could mean the difference between protecting satellites or losing them. The model uses advanced architecture to process massive solar images, each measuring 4,000 by 4,000 pixels. It doesn't just track surface changes, it recognizes complex rotation patterns and energy flows that even human experts struggle to follow. By creating this AI twin, researchers can simulate how the sun will look an hour into the future, then refine those predictions in real time. To push the science further, IBM and NASA also released Surya Bench, a collection of datasets and benchmarks for studying solar winds, ultraviolet radiation, and magnetic activity. Making this information open means more researchers worldwide can join the effort to shield Earth's infrastructure. For global communications, aviation, space exploration, and even daily internet use, Surya could become a silent guardian. It's one of the first foundation models aimed at predicting the behavior of our star, and it may help us prepare for storms before they strike. We've just walked through some of the biggest developments in today's AI race. Google and MIT are finding ways to uncover online trends while keeping every individual's data safe in the crowd. Microsoft has pushed voice technology forward, delivering long, natural conversations with multiple speakers. Elon Musk is stirring up the industry once again, not only with a new company but also by challenging Apple and OpenAI in court. And IBM, together with NASA, is looking to the skies with Surya, an AI twin of the sun that could protect Earth from dangerous space weather. Together, these breakthroughs show how far AI has come and how wide its impact really is. Will Musk's battles shake up the tech giants, or will NASA's solar forecasting model prove most important for humanity? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future deep dives into AI and technology. Your support helps keep these stories coming.